Hi, I'm Maya, and today we're going to learn how to evaluate numerical expressions using whole number exponents.
Let's look at this expression, 2 to the 4th power. The big number 2 is our base, and that little number 4 is our exponent. The exponent tells us exactly how many times to multiply the base by itself. Since our exponent is 4, we write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now let's work it out step by step. First, 2 times 2 gives us 4. Next, we take that same rationale and multiply 2 times 2 on the other side, which also gives us 4. We're almost there. Finally, we multiply our two 4's together. 4 times 4, which equals 16. So 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Whenever you see an exponent, just remember it tells you how many times to multiply the base by itself.
We just evaluated a numerical expression with a whole number exponent. Just remember that the exponent tells you how many times to use the base as a factor. See you next time!